Hello, it's Krzysiu. I want to show you how to deal with locked files. Let's see. Delete. And it can't be deleted because it's open in MPC HC. Okay, that's simple. So let's close it. Now we can delete, and here we can't because it's open in some application, but which exactly I don't know. So let's start with downloading Process Hacker. Here, download, setup. It's now called System Informer, but it's the same. Okay, it will download shortly. Okay, run it, install, next, yeah, continue. Okay, start program. Now we have the System Informer, and all we have to do is to click Find Handles or DLL. And click here to copy the path, Ctrl+C, and Ctrl+V here. Everything, don't care about this, just everything, and fine. Okay, now we can choose close, but I wouldn't recommend it because it closes just the handle and it may cause system instability. So let's click here, go to owning process, select this and click on delete, and yes, we want to terminate it. And now it's okay. And just in case, if you want just part of the file, for example, I don't know, all handles to share to, you just need to provide enter share to, nothing more, and you have all handles here.